My family's first computer had a 10 gigabyte hard drive. It's pretty amazing how fast technology moves. Good morning. Time to wake up now. You have work today. Good morning, Zoe. Harper, it's Friday.
Yay!
Have a great day at school today. Look at all those toys. Somehow I got stuck carrying all these toys now. Some point last year, I made it a habit to vacuum my house every Friday. I've gotten a bit off track over the last month, and my wife has taken notice, so it's time to get back on track starting today. Job's done. Where did you go?
Oh, peekaboo.
Peekaboo. The little things can provide so much entertainment for these kids. These kids, they drive me nuts. Today I plan on making pancakes. I don't think I've ever made pancakes in my life, so wish me luck. Not too bad, right? Not sure how they taste, but let's top them off. What do you guys think of the pancake sticks I made?
Good.
You like it? Unfortunately, no pancakes for me. Day 13 of oatmeal.
To pee.
You ready to brush your teeth?
To pee.
Okay, let's go. Lucas is at the age where he doesn't want to nap as much as he used to, and he didn't really want to take a nap today, but I just came and found him like this. Tyler's here, yay! Hi, Tyler.
Hello.
Why don't you comb your hair, bro? I want to wish everyone a very happy Pi Day today. 3.141592653.
We have a special guest today, and I made him his favorite meal. Hold on, Tyler.
Looks like a hostage.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, Tyler, while you're eating, let's have a quick chat. How old are you?
9.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
A scientist or a doctor or a teacher.
And where do you want to go to college?
Huh? I don't know.
What's your favorite sport?
Soccer.
What's your girlfriend's name?
I don't have any.
What's one of your favorite hobbies?
I don't know. I like to play video games.
What is something interesting you've learned lately?
Like about the Revolutionary War.
All right, that's been time with Tyler. Now get back to your food now.
That's it for today. To be continue on the next one.